Communication, the front of the camera. I'm sharing my tips today, how I work with the camera, how when I record people in a business, how I help people to feel more comfortable in the front of the camera, and why I can share it with you. I'm over 100 videos here on YouTube, finally, but I did record I think for now it's around 200 videos which I did like this format or vlog format. So I think after 200 of videos, editing all of them myself and making them improved one by one, I can finally share something with you. Welcome guys on my channel, it's Nicole Termin and we are here together to communicate your way to success. And today's video is working with camera. We are going in the digital world. We are going more in the camera world. Everything is going on the phone, on the camera. Let's say face to face, online, face to face. You can see me now, and I did record probably like 2 weeks ago, and you can see it now, and you will be able to see it as long as I will keep it on this channel. So many of you want to record, but you don't know where to start, you don't know what you need. And just to make it clear, I am not professionally trained of doing videos. I'm not doing just videos for living. I do different stuff for living, but video is quite big part of my work and I learned it through experience. So everything what I'm sharing with you today is purely from experience and purely from educating myself or talking to different people how to do certain things who are way more professional in the video than I am. So let's have a start. First and the most important, the stuff what you really need. And now I'm recording with DJI camera, which is amazing. It's a pocket camera. It's really nice and smooth, so you can see when I'm moving, this camera is moving with me, which is quite cool, and it's got really good focus. I got external mic to it, so you can hopefully, because I'm testing this first time today, hopefully you can hear me all right, but I see that the voice thing is moving quite all right, so it should be okay. And and I have as well the external light, which is the ring light, so even if it's daytime and it's quite sunny outside, where you can see, I still put the light on to make sure that the light is the same all the video, that it don't change as the sun change. So that's pretty much it. Do you really need the DJI camera? No, my first videos I recorded on my phone and I did it for more than a year. So all my first videos, I think first few videos on this channel are recorded on a phone. Later, my first camera was GoPro, which was okay for recording, but I think GoPro is more for like sport thing, when you're running or when you're cycling or you do something sport and some views, and when you're on some trips, I feel GoPro is better for me working on this stage. The next camera which I had, and I still have it and I sometimes record on it, it's like typical vlogging camera, which is Canon. Oh my god, I don't remember how it's called now, but it's this typical vlogging camera, Canon, which is really little, and they got a like flip screen, which is quite useful because you want to see yourself. And now I'm recording with this DJI and I'm moving so much because this is my 6th video today and I'm quite excited now. So do you really need much for recording? No, I would say you just need your phone and you just need good light. You don't need to buy any light. You can just purely go outside with your camera and record it outside, as your light will be brilliant outside. Just need to make sure you don't put your face straight to the sun, as it would like go to your eyes, so you will speak like that and you don't want it. And another thing what you want, you probably, if you record on your phone, which I found out even on a good iPhone, so I got iPhone XS Max or something like that, and the last year iPhone, I put the headphones in, as the voice quality is way better with the headphones, and that's totally fine. You don't need anything else if you want to start from now. The one thing when you start to record is to look into the camera. Even if you do it on your phone, many people what they do, I will show you now, because I have camera here where I look at you now, but I could look on my phone, and when I look at my phone you see that my eyes are going somewhere different. And many people when they record, they do this mistake that on beginning they look on themselves in the reflection in the screen, they don't look at the camera, and it could look a bit weird, because when you're recording on iPhone it could look like you're not looking straight at me, you're looking somewhere there. which is a bit weird. But that's fine. That's the first starter's mistake, and that's totally okay. That's the first thing what really makes me, it's annoying for me when I don't see you look at me when you record. Yeah, that's my personal preference. I want you to look in the camera when you talk to me, so when I listen to it, I feel like you really talk to me. Another thing is the voice thing. I try to speak really clear. Even if sometimes I'm struggling with it, mostly times it's after when I'm really tired and I record the videos, or when I go like with the bunch of videos like today, that I think maybe 2 more videos I will be fine, and the third video after this, which I will record, which will be video number 9, I will have problem with speaking. And what I mean, some people speak not clear, and they speak not clear because of the accent or any other reasons. I speak really clearly because I was trained for it. I supposed to have different job than I have now, but the life changes everything. Your willingness to do certain things change as well. But I was trained to speak really clearly the front of the camera, so that's why when I speak, mostly times it's quite clear. For example, when I started to record with my husband, he was never trained for it. He never thought about it, and he was, speaking as we speak, and he thought it's okay. But later, when you listen to it, he was like, "What? I cannot even understand myself on this record." I said, like, I know you need to train how to speak really clearly, and sometimes you need to highlight or accent words differently just for the camera because of the voice. Because it's different when I talk to you face to face, it's different when I'm recording. So you can do, to make sure your speaking is okay, you can do many exercises. I don't have any bottle with me, but you can put bottle in your mouth and you can try to speak with the bottle. You can warm up this part of your face as well and do some voice exercises before you start to record, just to make sure your voice is like heated up to proper speaking. And it depends how much you speak as well on a video. On my videos, I speak quite a lot, so I need to make my voice a bit like warm up before I will go with this bunch of information for you. So that's another thing. Just focus how you speak. Another thing in terms of the video is the energy. As you see on some of the videos, I'm really like right now energetic, and I'm like, I want to jump and I'm happy and whatever. On another video, I'm looking more static, more calm. It doesn't mean that I really don't want to record it. It just means that I don't have, or I don't feel this full energy to putting out. And we say always camera cuts 50% of your emotions, so you need to double your emotions to show as it really is. Because if you will behave as normal, it will be taken as really static, sometimes a bit of boring as well. So that's why on some of my videos I'm like full of energy, because that's how I really feel, and I double it because I want you to feel the same way. So that's another tip. And another, in terms of the content, there are different types of the videos. There are vlog types of the videos, which you will see more on my channel. They are like typical view slash experience videos, when you have just some clips from the trips. They could be like speaking videos, so it's what I'm doing now. There could be mixed videos, or if you do it for the businesses, they could be like performance videos, so you need to keep the audience attention. And I think the biggest struggle, especially on YouTube, is to keep this attention. So let's say this video will have 10 minutes, and by 10 minutes I want you to stay here and keep an attention. And sometimes that's not gonna work, and I think each person on YouTube has different way of doing it. Some people will do content keeping attention, so they will do some videos which are good sellers, like pranks or this stuff. And other people which are like me, more in business side, we will try to give you this energy by being energetic and giving the good content, and the content which you are requesting as well. So it's really just to finding your way, what you really want to do with this video, and what's the main purpose of the video. And I think that should be the main question before you will start to record anything, what this video will give to people. So I want you that, I feel this video will give you the starting point. This video will give you the all points what you need to think before you start, and it will help you with realization that you don't really need much to start recording and to start, I don't know, your YouTube channel or recording for Instagram or just recording even for yourself. So I do these videos as kind of memory as well for me. So in a few years time I will be back to them and I could reflect on them. And when we are away or where we are here even at home with my husband, we try to record quite a lot just to have memories, because we will get older and we want to show our kids how our life looks before they came to our life. So that's our way why we are recording. Maybe you will have different reasons. Find your reason and share it with the audience. And the last is to be prepared for the videos. Every time when I do the video, there is two things what I'm doing. Oh, my camera just got funny. So the first one is to have the schedule of the videos. I need to write schedule what I'm putting for you, because if I don't have the schedule, I'm not posting at all. So this is the first one. So I know this channel will have 3 videos a week, because that's what I'm able to cope at the moment. And I write the all days and the all ideas which you suggest to me or which I want to share with you. So that's my schedule, and every time when I do the video I tick it so it's done, ready to go for the channel. And another one is I take every single topic and I put it in few main points what I want to share there with you, so I'm not ending up having like 20 minutes video talking about nothing. So this is working for me. This is my way. Maybe you will find different way. But if you ever thought, should I really start video? Why you shouldn't? Why there is even a thought in your head that you shouldn't record? Everyone can record. All of us has the phones. Everyone can do videos. I'm sure you have a lot to share with the world. So just don't be afraid, because I've started first videos 4 years ago when my knowledge was really limited, because I was still learning, but I wasn't afraid of sharing this what I already know. And maybe there is some topic in your life which you are feeling comfortable to share with the audience, so just do it, because you never know who will need your help. And I hope that encouraged you to this more video format. I know many people is afraid of it, but you shouldn't be afraid of it, because there is nothing to be afraid. And I know many people are freaking out when it's coming off their face being on the video. They got really shy and really scared. But with the video is just one rule: as more as you do them, as more comfortable you will feel. So keep recording yourself even if you don't share it. To be honest, when I look at my videos 4 years back now, I make so much fun of me, because they were so weird. And probably in a year or 2 times, when I will reflect on this video, I will be like, oh my god, what the hell I did. But that's how it is. We are developing every single day. So I wish you a lovely day, and I hope you did enjoy this video. And if you did, leave the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.